Hello everyone, we are going to take our homework about verb to be. First of all, I have to mention that we use verb to be for a lot of things. For example, we use verb to be to mention our age. How old are we? So I can say, I am 22 years old. Okay, I also use verb to be to say if I am married or single. Okay, and to say your name. My name is Lisa. To say your nationality. I'm American. I'm from Chicago. Or the activity you or other people practice. For example, I am a student, my father is a doctor, and my mother is a journalist. We also use verb to be to express what activities or sports or other things I am interested in. Like I am interested in arts, or my favorite sports are football and swimming, or my favorite color is blue. Okay, so now we are going to see the rule. First of all, in the affirmative form, I say the pronoun I with the verb am. She, he, it, is. You, we, they, are. So I'm, she's, his, it's, you're, we're, there. Now, we use the negative form in this way. We only add not at the end of the verb to be, but it's more natural to use this short form. I'm not, she isn't, he isn't, it isn't. You aren't, we aren't, they aren't. Here we have some examples. I'm cold. Can you close the window, please? Okay, I'm cold. We use verb to be to express emotion or how you feel. Okay, in this occasion, you feel cold, so I'm cold. What else? As I mentioned before, to express your age. I'm 32 years old and my sister is 29. My sister is she, so my sister is because she is. John is ill. He is in bed. John is he, so John is. He is. Okay, how does John feel? He feels ill, so he is ill. My brother is afraid of dogs. Okay, it is the same. How does your brother feel about dogs? He feels afraid of dogs. So for this reason, we say he is afraid. My brother is he, so he is. Okay, it is 10 o'clock. You are late again. When we talk about weather or when we talk about time, we use the pronoun it. And it is used with the verb is. So it is. We must use a pronoun every time we talk in English. Okay, let's continue. Let me see. Anne and I are good friends. Anne and I are we. So we are. What else? Your keys are on the table. Okay, your keys are they. So for this reason, I say they are because your keys are. I'm tired. How do you feel? Tired. Okay, we use verb to be to express how we feel about things. Yes. So I'm tired. What else? Tom isn't interested in politics. He's interested in music. Tom is he, so he is. Jane isn't a teacher. She is a student. Jane is she. Okay, so she is. People are in English. Those people are in English. They are French. When we talk about nationality, okay, we use verb to be. Those people is plural. So they are. Those people are, they are. The last one, it's sunny today, but it isn't warm. Okay, as I just mentioned, when we talk about weather, we must use the verb is because the pronoun is it. It is sunny. Let's go to see our exercises. Number 1, you have to write the short form. She's, the short form is she's. They are there. It is not, it isn't, or it's not. That is, that's. I am not, I'm not. You are not, you aren't. Okay, I hope you can check and compare your homework. Let's continue. You had to write am, is, or are in this exercise. The weather is nice today. It was the example given. Now, I am not rich. You can also say I'm not rich. It's okay. This bag is heavy because it is singular. This bag. But these bags are heavy because these bags are plural. Look, there's Carol. Here you can say there's or there is. My brother and I are we. So we are good at school. Emily is she. So Emily is at home. Her children are at school. Children is a plural word. So they are. I am a taxi driver and my sister is a nurse. Let's continue with our homework. Now we had to complete the sentence here. In this exercise, you had to write the pronoun and the verb. Let's see. The example said, Steve is ill, he is in bed. 2. I'm not hungry, but I'm thirsty. So here the pronoun plus the verb to be. Mr. Thomas is a very old man. He is 98. Next, these chairs aren't beautiful, but they are comfortable. The weather is very nice. It is warm and sunny. Remember that when we talk about weather or time, we use the pronoun it's and the verb is. Let's continue. It's late. No, I'm not. I'm early. Okay, 7. Catherine isn't at home. Um, she's at work. The last one, it is your coat. Oh, thank you very much. In this case, number 6, you can say you are late. No, I'm not. I'm very early. Or you can say it's late. No, I'm early. Let's continue. In this exercise, you have to complete this sentence with your own information. In this case, for example, it says, what's your name? I have to say, my name is, and you say Natalia, Juan, Jose, etc. Where are you from? I am from Chillán, Concepcion, etc. How old are you? I am 18, 20 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What are you interested in? And you can say, I am interested in any given activity, music, art, sport, etc. Okay, let's see. Now, you have to write affirmative or negative sentences according to the situation. For example, the first one, it is hot today. Okay, we are in the spring, so it is really hot today. It's a nice day. Or if we are in winter, it isn't hot today. It is windy today. No, I don't think so. So it isn't windy today. You have to choose only one. My hands, it depends on the situation. Maybe you can write an affirmative sentence or a negative one. My hands are cold, but maybe your hands aren't cold, so you have to complete like this. Brazil is a very big country. There is no question about that. It is like that. Diamonds are cheap. No, they aren't cheap. It's wrong. They are expensive. Okay, it's wrong, of course. No, they aren't. You have to write aren't there. Toronto isn't in the USA, of course, because it is in Canada. The last activity, write sentence about you. positive or negative, I'm or I'm not. It depends on. You can say I'm tired if you are, or maybe you are not. So if you are not, you have to write I'm not tired. Hungry. Okay, I'm hungry. If you want to have tea, or maybe okay, maybe you just have lunch, so you say I'm not hungry. Okay, it depends on you. I'm a good swimmer or I'm not a good swimmer. And finally, I'm interested in football or I'm not interested in football. Okay, that was all. See you. Thank you very much. Bye.